Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on understanding SQL data types. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. So in this video, we are going to cover SQL data types. So basically SQL data types define the type of value that a column can hold in a database table. And they ensure data integrity and optimize the storage. Now, coming to the commonly used data types in SQL. So these all are the data types in SQL, in which first one is numeric data types, and the example are int. Basically, int used for integers, and decimal used for fixed point numbers, and float is used for floating point numbers with decimal precision. And second data type is character strings. So the example are char and varchar. Basically, char is used for fixed length character string, and varchar is used for variable length character string. Now third one is date and time, and the example are date, time, and time stamp. So date is used for date is used for date values in the format YY, and date. Basically, this format defines year, month, and date. And second one is time, and time is used for time values in the format hours, minute, and second. Okay, and the last is time in stamp, which is basically used for date and time values. Fourth one is boolean, and the example are boolean, which is used for true or false values. And the other data type is blob and glob, in which blob is used for storing binary data, and glob is used for storing large text data. Basically, other data types is not widely used in SQL, but you have to know about these data types. Okay, and now coming to how to choose the right data type. So basically, you have to consider storage requirements, precision, and the performance. For example, use int for whole numbers and decimal for financial calculation to maintain the accuracy. So now coming to the best practices in SQL. So you all have to follow these practices while doing the project in SQL, or while working on SQL. Okay, so the first one is always specify the length for varchar to optimize the storage, and the second one is regularly review and optimize data types for better performance. Okay, now the third one is avoid using varchar without specifying a length to prevent unpredictable behavior. So that's all for this video, and if you still have any doubt, then just don't worry, because in our upcoming videos we do all these things practically. Okay, so today we covered the basic of SQL data types and their importance, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Okay, and I encourage you to practice using these data types in your own SQL project to gain hands-on experience. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And also don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.